Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove bloatware from Windows 11. So bloatware basically means apps and programs that come pre-installed in your PC but aren't really needed. So these apps can use storage, memory, and sometimes slow down your PC, and we do not want that, and we shall remove them. And to remove it, first of all, go to your taskbar and click on the Windows icon. Now search for settings and open it. Now inside settings, scroll down till you see apps, click on apps, and then click on installed apps. Sort it any way you want, or you can even search for any apps, and you can filter in any drive you want to look through. Now you can scroll down through the list and find the apps you do not use or recognize. Now if you find any app that you don't use or recognize, click on the three dots next to the app, which will open more settings, and click on uninstall. Now this will uninstall the app, and you can repeat this for any unnecessary apps you want to remove. Then you can restart your PC after removing them. And that's it. Your Windows 11 should now feel cleaner and faster. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.